Hi guys, so today I will be sharing a video of the nature where the flowers and bees interconnect and bees are getting nectar from flowers. So if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. As you know, I usually draw, but if you don't enjoy nature, it's hard to draw the flowers or the animals. So here you go, a calming video of bees and flowers. So I left the original sound for you to enjoy the nature, and these are ester and cornflowers which attracts bees. So I hope you enjoy this video. I have other travel videos as well as always drawing videos, so check it out by clicking the face logo to subscribe to my channel. And I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any requests, comments, questions, let me know by commenting below. So let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more of this. And I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you next time. Bye.